How to add video to Streamyard. Adding a video to Streamyard allows for sharing pre-recorded content during a live stream, adding variety, and enhancing your broadcast. And here's how we are going to do it. First things first, I just want to show you this layout of mine. So I have already added here my camera, and then this is my background. I can go ahead and add a media file here. So the way that we are going to do that is we're just going to go ahead and click the present button here below, and then you should be able to see here video file. Go ahead and click that one, and then of course you can just go ahead and choose whatever video file that you want to add. For example, in my case, this is a Roblox gameplay that I had before, so I'm just going to go ahead and add it here. And yeah, that's how you're going to do it, everybody. Congratulations, now you know how to add video to Streamyard. If you're interested in trying out Streamyard, go and click our affiliate link below in order to access the full version for 14 days entirely for free. This free trial will allow you to access Streamyard's best features. And as always, please don't forget to subscribe to the channel and leave this video a like if it helps you out.